हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ करण मशरू। वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। और आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं व्हाट इज़ टोपोलॉजिकल शॉर्टिंग। सो बेसिकली टोपोलॉजिकल शॉर्टिंग इज एन ऑर्डरिंग. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू द डेफिनेशन राइट नाउ, देन विल अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट मीन्स ऑल्सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल. So topological sorting is an ordering of the vertices of a directed acyclic graph such that for every directed edge from U to V, U comes before V in the ordering. So let me write it down. It is a ordering of the vertices of a directed acyclic graph, okay, which is also known as DAG. It is the ordering of the vertices of a directed acyclic graph such that for every directed edge from U to V, U comes before V in the ordering. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली जो भी डायरेक्टेड असाइक्लिक ग्राफ है, मतलब कि एक ग्राफ है जो कि डायरेक्टेड है और उसमें साइकिल नहीं है, ऐसे ग्राफ के जितने भी वर्टाइसिस है उनकी एक ऑर्डरिंग सच दैट अगर मेरे पास डायरेक्टेड एज है फ्रॉम यू टू वी, तो वो जो ऑर्डरिंग है उसमें यू विल कम बिफोर वी. ओके. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस 0 1 2 3 4 and let's say 5, okay, and here let's say I have 6. So I have a directed edge from 0 to 1, so 0 must come before 1 in the final ordering. I have a directed edge from 3 to 2, so 3 must come before 2. I have a directed edge from 1 to 2, so 1 must come before 2. I have a directed edge from 1 to 4, so 1 must come before 4. I have a directed edge from 2 to 4, so 2 must come before 4. I have a directed edge from 2 to 6, so 2 must come before 6. And I have a directed edge from 4 to 5, so 4 must come before 5. ठीक है. So 0, let's say I am writing the ordering, okay, one of the possible orderings. So 0, now next is, let's say I take 3, now I can take 1, now I can take 2, now I can take 6, now I can take 4, and now I can take 5. So this is one of the correct topological orderings. 0 must come before 1, okay. 3 must come before 2, okay. 1 must come before 2, satisfied. 1 must come before 4, satisfied. 2 must come before 4, satisfied. 1 must come before 2, satisfied. 2 must come before 6, satisfied. 4 must come before 5, satisfied. तो सारी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रही है. ठीक है. नाउ देर कैन बी मल्टीपल टोपोलॉजिकल orderings are possible for a graph. Okay, multiple topological orderings are possible for a graph. So for example, I can also start with 0, then once 0 is taken, I can take 1, then I can take 3, then I can take 2, after that I can take 4, or after that I can take 5, and after that I can take 6. So 0 is before 1, 3 is before 2, 1 is before 2, 2 is before 4, 1 is before 4, 2 is before 6, and 4 is before 5. तो सारी जो एजेस की कंडीशन है वो सेटिस्फाई हो रही है. Let's write one more. So let's say I have 3, then I have 0, then I have 1, then I have 2, then I have 4, then I have 6, and then I have 5. So 0 must come before 1, okay. 3 must come before 2, done. 1 must come before 2, done. 1 must come before 4, done. 2 must come before 4, done. 2 must come before 6, done. 4 must come before 5, done. So there can be more also. So basically I'm trying to say is multiple topological orderings are possible. Okay, the only condition is for every directed edge from U to V, U must come before V in the ordering. So these are the topological orderings of this given graph, and there can be some more. Okay, so let's go through the definition again. It is a ordering of the vertices of a directed acyclic graph such that for every directed edge from U to V, U comes before V in the ordering. I hope अब ये clear होगा. ठीक है. So अब यहाँ पे कुछ पॉइंट्स नोट कर लेते हैं. पहले तो कुछ एप्लीकेशंस की अगर बात करें तो इसके एप्लीकेशंस क्या हो सकते हैं. तो एप्लीकेशंस हो सकता है देयर कैन बी, सो वन इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन कंपाइलर्स, ओके, और पैकेज मैनेजर्स. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल कंपाइलर्स में मान लो आपके पास कोई भी एक लैंग्वेज का कोड है ना, एंड उसमें बहुत सारी लाइब्रेरी फाइल्स है, आपने एक दूसरे में इंपोर्ट की है, आपने कुछ लिखी हुई है, राइट. सो इट फॉर्म्स अ डिपेंडेंसी लाइक दिस library file or this header file is required in this file, this header file is required in this file, this header file is this required in this file. Okay, for example 0 is required in 1, 1 is required in 4, 4 is required in 5, something like that. Okay, so so it can decide the order of compilation, okay, and it can compile properly, okay, and optimize things. देन पैकेज मैनेजर्स, जैसे कि आपके पास कोई पैकेज मैनेजर है, सो लेट्स से यू हैव अ नोड प्रोजेक्ट एंड यू से npm इंस्टॉल, तो जो भी पैकेज डॉट जेसन फाइल में जितनी भी डिपेंडेंसीज है वो इंस्टॉल होगी, राइट. तो उनमें भी डिपेंडेंसी होगी एक दूसरे पे, तो वो एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में टोपोलॉजिकल शॉर्टिंग करके देख सकते हैं कि किस ऑर्डर में हम इंस्टॉल करें और कैसी रिक्वायरमेंट है. ठीक है. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, even if you do not know about node, package JSON and all those things, it's fine. I hope आप compiler वाला example समझ गए हैं, right? Okay. Second is like you want to schedule tasks, okay, or schedule tasks, okay. Or third can be you want one of the very famous is course prerequisite, okay, prerequisites. So you can say course scheduling, QUIPRE, प्रीरिक्विजिट्स. ठीक है, जो भी है स्पेलिंग, ठीक है, प्रीरिक्विजिट आप समझ गए. सो शेड्यूल टास्क मतलब कि जो टास्क 0 है दैट मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 1, टास्क 3 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 2, टास्क 1 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 2, टास्क 2 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 4, टास्क 1 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 4, टास्क 4 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 5 एंड टास्क 2 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 6. सो शेड्यूल द टास्क सच दैट दिस ऑर्डरिंग इज मेंटेन्ड. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, एक डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ बना दो, ठीक है, और मतलब कि आपको ये जो है ये ऑर्डरिंग दी गई है कि 0 टास्क मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर 1, 1 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर 4 एंड सो ऑन. तो उस पे टोपोलॉजिकल शॉर्ट लगा दो, है ना. ऐसे डायरेक्टेड एज एक मान लो कि 0 से 1 डायरेक्टेड एज है, सो 0 मस्ट कम बिफोर 1, टास्क 0 मस्ट बी फिनिश्ड बिफोर टास्क 1 एंड टोपोलॉजिकल ऑर्डरिंग लगा दो, तो आपको एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डरिंग मिल जाएगी ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग द टास्क. Then course prerequisites scheduling. So course 0 is a prerequisite for 1, course 3 is a prerequisite for 2, course 1 is a prerequisite for 2, course 2 is a prerequisite for 4, 1 is prerequisite for 4, 4 is prerequisite for 5 and 2 is prerequisite for 6. So give me an ordering of the course in which I can study. So you can apply topological sorting and give one ordering of the course which can be completed in that particular way. ठीक है. Now why it is like it can be applied, topological sorting can applied only on directed acyclic graph. Why? See, let's look at all these three characters. First of all, graph, so it should be a graph, okay, that's fine. Second is it must be directed. Now you see the definition of the topological sorting says that if you have a directed edge from U to V, U must come before V. तो डायरेक्टेड तो होगा ही ना ग्राफ, ठीक है. एंड वाई असाइक्लिक, देखो लेट्स से यू हैव 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड 0. So let's say you are having this cyclic graph. So 0 is 0 must come before 1, 1 must come before 2, 2 must come before 3 and 3 must come before 4. 3 must come before 0. So 0 must come before 1, 1 must come before 2, 2 must come before 3, but 3 must come before 0. but 0 must come before 1, 1 must come before 2, and 2 must come before 3. Right? Now 1 must come before 2, but 0 must come before 1. So आप देख रहे हो ये ऑर्डरिंग पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. इफ देर इज अ साइकिल, टोपोलॉजिकल ऑर्डरिंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल ओनली. Okay, so that's about topological ordering. We have seen the definition, we have seen the example. There can be multiple topological orderings of a given graph, and we have seen some applications and why it is applied only on directed acyclic graph. In the next video we will see how we can implement this. I hope आपको इस वीडियो में सब कुछ समझ में आया है. Thank you.